The German and French finance ministers meet in Berlin as the Eurozone's economic powerhouses hammer out a common position on the crisis and what to do about Greece. This comes on a quiet day for markets with London closed. Investors on the continent still pinning their hopes on the ECB next week, so shrugging off another fall in German business morale. But there's no doubt the crisis is reaching boiling point, so much so that German Chancellor Angela Merkel at the weekend implored officials to tone down their rhetoric. This would be a welcome development, says AXA's chief economist, Eric Cheney.
The fact that there is this rhetoric battle initiated by the Bundesbank, by Jens Weidmann, who was Angela Merkel's advisor when he was a bit younger, I think that gives a sense of cacophonia, not only in the financial markets, but also in the politics. So it seems to me that the most responsible leaders are now trying to quiet down a little bit the rhetoric.
Tomorrow, sparse bits of data are unlikely to give markets much direction, so the focus in Europe will be on policy, debt issuance and earnings. Spain to sell 3- and 6-month Treasury bills, while Italy auctions 2-year zero coupon and inflation-linked bonds. Investors eagerly awaiting news from Rome on whether it will soon issue a new 10-year bond. In Hungary, the central bank will announce its latest interest rate decision at 12 GMT. Evidence of shrinking consumer demand, falling retail sales and industrial production could prompt a 25 basis point cut. A smattering of corporate numbers due tomorrow as well. MTS, Russia's top mobile phone operator, is expected to write off up to $1 billion from second quarter results. That's after it was forced to cease operations in the Central Asian state of Uzbekistan. Investors will look at the impact of failing to fulfil the 2012 Olympic Games security contract in G4S's first half numbers. UK oil and gas group Cairn Energy presents its interim results after spending close to £700 million on recent acquisitions. Investors, though, remain concerned about the risks in Cairn's offshore Greenland exploration areas and the costs of developing its North Sea fields. French cosmetics giant L'Oréal, German auto parts maker Schaeffler and French telecoms group Bouygues will also post numbers on Tuesday. Lufthansa cabin crew may down tools tomorrow following a 13-month protest over pay and conditions. The move would cause widespread flight disruption at Germany's leading airline. Lufthansa is cutting 3,500 jobs, about 3% of its global workforce, and freezing investment to boost profit, squeezed by high fuel prices and fierce competition from low-cost carriers. That's it for now. For more on Apple's legal victory over Samsung, do visit the Insider platform. I'm Jamie McGeever. This is Reuters.